Experiencing a key not detected error in your 2021-2023 Hyundai Elantra? You're not alone. This issue typically arises from a depleted key fob battery, or, less commonly, a software glitch in the vehicle's immobilizer system. This issue typically arises from a depleted key fob battery. The fob uses a CR22 battery that lasts 1 to 2 years. Cold weather and frequent use accelerate drain. Less commonly, a software glitch in the vehicle's immobilizer system can trigger the error. Hyundai addresses this with service bulletins like TSB 21-01018. While Hyundai hasn't issued a full recall, service bulletins like TSB 21-0018 address reprogramming or replacing the fob, especially if the battery is the culprit. If you're under warranty, a dealer can often resolve this with a quick fob reset or replacement at no cost. Remember to change your fob battery every 12 to 18 months as preventative maintenance. Keep spare batteries for emergencies. Don't panic. Your Elantra has a backup. First, use the mechanical key blade embedded in your fob to unlock the door. Then, to start the engine, insert the dead fob into the designated slot, typically located in the center console near the shifter. With the fob inserted, firmly press the brake pedal and then push the start button. This bypasses the immobilizer, allowing you to start the car even with a dead fob battery. This method temporarily overrides the security system. Always carry a spare battery or fob for emergencies. Consider replacing the battery as soon as possible to avoid future incidents. Also, avoid storing the fob near metal objects, as this can interfere with the signal.